How to log in to WordPress admin dashboard. Every website built with WordPress can be divided into two parts, the front end and the back end. The front end is the actual website we see, and the back end is the administration area where we can make changes to the content and appearance of the website. Now, to log into that back end or admin area, open the URL example.com/wp-admin in your web browser. Here, example.com is the WordPress website whose admin area I wish to access. In your case, replace example.com with your domain name. Then enter the credentials and click the Login button. This is an overview of the dashboard interface. Your dashboard may look different depending on the WordPress theme and plugins that you are using. There's a menu on the left sidebar that shows different options, which hover over and pop out more options when you move your cursor over it. On the right side of the Home section, you can see some settings like activities, comments, etc. On the top right corner, if you click this admin image icon, you see options like Edit Your Profile, where you can set your profile image, etc. There is also a logout option, and by clicking this option, you can log out from the admin area of your WordPress. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you for watching.